Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the Zenes 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner. You can get this product on Amazon for about $50. Check out the link in the description. Assembling the vacuum cleaner is very easy and doesn't take longer than a minute. The vacuum cleaner has a powerful suction and works very good on both hardwood floor and carpet. This product comes with different attachments and it works also good on rugs and furniture. Cleaning my couch works really good with this vacuum cleaner. Unfortunately, the brush is a little bit too small, so it takes very long. Cleaning the dirt cup is very easy and only takes a few seconds. I tested the vacuum cleaner for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very good product. It cleans much better than my old Dirt Devil vacuum cleaner and it also has more attachments. So if you're looking for a lightweight 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner for your carpets, rugs, hardwood floors and furniture, I would recommend the Zenes 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.